Huh?
No! Don't change seat number.
Huh?
Don't take calls during the flight.
Wow!
Don't act inappropriate. Don't be rude during the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're experiencing some turbulence.
Don't panic too much during the turbulence.
Hello.
Don't make bomb prank. Don't insist go to pee during the turbulence. Just take flight normally. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe our channel. Give us like and leave comment below.